Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for passing by. And then today I'm going to show you how to place a bid on the CDSHOW system for Treasury Bills. First thing you have to do, open your browser. On your browser, go to google.com. Once you're on Google, type the CDSHOW system, DOW, DEHOW. Click the first link. Once you're here, if you already have an account, you enter your email and password. So for my case, I already have an account. Your mama got no, that's so offensive. Your mama got fat at gmail.com. Enter your email, enter the password. Then you can enter the two-factor authenticator if you have enabled it. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your treasury, your portfolio. Then you can navigate down to Securities to check the securities that are currently on auction. Or, for example, with this one is disabled, it's already fully redeemed. It was the government bought for 12 years, IFB 2012, 12 years coupon. Then after auctions, then you'll see the listed auctions. For the T-bills, the T-bill 091, that's the one we're going to bid for. These are all available bonds and bids that you can bid for and the expiry date. So to create a bid, just click bid. Competitive is the one that you put the interest rate that you might prefer. Now competitive is the one that you put, you'll go with the market price. So that's what we're going to go with. Face value, it's in increments of 50,000. So 50, 100, 150 as you go on. So we're going to place a 50k bid. Placing agents, these are all default because you have account with the CBK. Source of fund, for me it's local. Source is salary. Then after confirming everything, you need to confirm everything because you know the CBK don't play with their money. Now you place your bid. You can now place your bid. Securities discounted, blah blah blah. Place bid, confirm the bid placement. That's how you place your bid. And click close. To confirm that you have placed your bid, you can visit bids, then you'll see the list of bids that it's now sending to CBK. Once the results are out, you'll be mailed and even sent a message for you to go and make your payment. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you may be interested in more of this content. Thank you and have a nice day.